This video I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Planner for recurring tasks. In order to do that, first head over right here into planner.cloud.microsoft and from in there click on this sign in. So do take note that you need to sign in into your account with the paid subscription or an account under an organization with the paid plan. So from in there proceed to click on sign in right here. You can also get Planner for iOS and Android. From in there, just input right here email, phone, or Skype that you wish to use right here and enter your password in order to sign in. Now here is my actual planner right there. So I have in here this task. So what I can do is I can just open right here a specific task. Like for example in here is this one. Let's head over and open it. Once you have opened that task, it will amount right here into this part. You can see that we have in here this repeat option, which is the option for doing some recurring task. So expand it right here and choose in here repeat daily, weekdays, weekly, monthly, yearly, or custom. For example, right here, let's do this weekly. And as you can see, it's been changed into that. So you can head over and cross it out. And from this part, you should be able to see that we have in here this icon, which is a recurring icon. So it will repeat next week for this particular date. So you can find it right here. And in there, it will actually repeat through that. So you can also do it on other tasks that you have. For example, let's open here this task. Proceed to click on the this does not repeat again, expand it, and choose from the options available given to you by Microsoft Planner. So just do this as usual, and from in there you can actually make recurring tasks in your planner. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.